अस्सलामुअलैकुम नाजरीन। मुअज़्ज़िज़ हाई कोर्ट ने रियासती हुकूमत से कहा कि वो सरकारी कोटे के तहत शिया कम्युनिटी के मेंबर को MLC के तौर पर मुकर्रर करने के लिए नुमाइंदगी का जायज़ा ले। आइए नाजरीन देखें इसी की तफसीली रिपोर्ट। हमारे चैनल को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।
I am a legal practitioner, High Court and Supreme Court. My name is Venkat Raghu Mannepalli. Shia Council of India approached to me and they placed their problems, and previous also they approached this Honorable High Court and obtained orders. And after submitting the said order copy, the government not taken any action and they are not solve all the problems of the Shia people. Those who are living in the state of Telangana, nearly 10 lakhs are Muslim community, Shia community living in the state of Telangana, and they place those problems. They are not separate burial grounds, and they are not having separate schools, colleges and hospitals, and several problems are they are facing. Those problems are submitted before the government. The said government not respond within time. In the said connection, again the Shia Council of India approached this Honorable High Court for getting justice. This Honorable High Court consider the problems of the Shias and their problems, and direction passed to the second respondent, who is the Welfare Association, Welfare Commission, that is Muslim Minority Welfare Commission. And all the notices received from the Honorable Court, and judgment passed in WP number 4610/2024, and passed the direction to the government to solve the problems of the Shia Muslim councils. Nearly 10 lakhs people's problem. They are suggest a qualified personality to represent on behalf of the Muslim Shia community before member of Legislative Council. After considering their name and inquiry, and said name is sent to the governor consideration, then the governor follow the rules and regulations according to the Indian Constitution. As a legal practitioner, in my personal experience, I have seen 90% of the Shia people, they are not having till today a permanent shelter. There is no houses, there is no employment. All the people are suffering a lot. As a legal practitioner, I assure to the Shia Council of India to give a best legal service for development of the Shia people in the state of Telangana. If they are requested, I am ready to serve for the welfare of the Shia people by following Indian Constitution with a strict manner. I feel, and all the Shia Council also feel, they are ready to give the service to the society with friendly nature, by giving respect to all the religious, and without go for any things, strictly to follow the rules and regulations, government rules according to the Indian Constitution. Today they are very happy. This president and secretary requested to me to give the press statement, and those people are recommended. This guy is a highly qualified computer expert, and his wife is doing education services by running a degree college and best services. His services recognized by the Shia community, 10 lakhs people. I hope the government also to clear all the problems of the Shia community within span of time by following this Honorable High Court orders. Thank you. ये
आपका वार
सिया मुस्लिम काउंसिल, सिविल काउंसिल, ये तेलंगाना हाई कोर्ट के आके एक रिट पिटीशन डाला WP नंबर 4610/2024. उसका प्रॉब्लम्स सॉल्व करने के सरकार के विनत पत्र दिया. वो विनत पत्र के कंटेंट्स क्या है, तो वो कंटेंट्स लेके उसको जस्टिस करने के तेलंगाना हाई कोर्ट ऑर्डर दे दिया। वो ऑर्डर कॉपी उन टुमारो जाके सीएम ऑफिस में, गवर्नर ऑफिस में, मुस्लिम माइनॉरिटी वेलफेयर सेक्रेटरी, प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी को देने के तैयारी है।
काउंसिल का डिमांड क्या था और कोर्ट ने क्या ऑर्डर दिया है वो बताइए आप।
वो ये पूरा सिया काउंसिल का प्रॉब्लम्स, उसको कोई हॉस्पिटल सेपरेट नहीं, बरियल ग्राउंड्स नहीं, उसका रिप्रेजेंटेशन बिफोर असेंबली और एनी काउंसिल नहीं है। वही के लिए उन सब लोग एक आदमी को इलेक्ट करके वो आदमी का नाम गवर्नमेंट को दिया। वो गवर्नमेंट इसका नाम गवर्नर पास को भेजने के कोर्ट सोचना के ऑर्डर दे दिया, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन फॉलो करके उसको देने के पूछा।